Hey everyone! Welcome to a journey where we unlock the secrets to manifesting wealth and financial abundance. Ready to step into a life where wealth flows effortlessly into your world? Imagine a life where financial worries are a thing of the past. Let's dive straight into it. The universe is brimming with opportunities, and it's time to tap into that infinite potential. The universe is obsessed with sending me money. It's like a cosmic game where the universe conspires to make me wealthier every day. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a powerful mindset shift. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money is so addicted to your energy, it can't help but come to you. Picture the freedom and joy that comes with financial security. First things first, I get richer and richer every single day. This isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a life of abundance. It's not just about working harder but smarter, leveraging your skills and talents in ways that attract wealth effortlessly. The money that I spend is returned to me tenfold. Every dollar spent is an investment in my future prosperity. Feel that energy? It's the universe aligning to your vibes. When you radiate positivity, the universe responds in kind. Now here's a game changer. I release all limiting beliefs surrounding money. These beliefs are the invisible chains holding you back. Those old thoughts like I can't afford this or money is hard to come by, toss them out. Replace them with empowering beliefs. Instead, embrace this. Money flows into my life easily and fast. Say it out loud. Feel the power in those words. Picture this. I literally make money in my sleep. Sounds wild, right? But it's true. Passive income streams are a reality. The universe is obsessed with giving me ways of making money. Opportunities are everywhere, just waiting for you to seize them. Opportunities pop up like magic. When you're aligned with abundance, the right doors open effortlessly. Money is so obsessed with me. It's like a magnet, drawn to my energy. This magnetic pull is a result of your positive mindset. It's like a magnet, drawn to my energy. And guess what? You can attract it too. The power lies within you. And guess what? You can attract it too. Start by believing in your worth and the universe will follow suit. I literally get paid to exist. Let that sink in. Your very presence is valuable and deserving of wealth. Your value is immense and the world recognizes it. Embrace your worth and watch how the universe rewards you. Here's another powerful affirmation. My bank account grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Visualize those numbers climbing. Feel the excitement. This visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting wealth. Money flows into my life easily. It's not just paper or coins, it's energy. This energy is abundant and always available. When you align your thoughts and actions, the universe responds. So start today. Take the first step towards your financial abundance. Affirm these truths. The universe is obsessed with sending me money. I get richer and richer every single day. Money is so addicted to my energy. This addiction is a reflection of your positive mindset. The money that I spend is returned to me tenfold. This cycle of giving and receiving is endless. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on manifesting wealth and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to create the life you dream of. Stay positive, stay wealthy. Your journey to financial abundance starts now. Money flows into my life easily and fast. Catch you next time. Keep believing and keep manifesting. My bank account grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Visualize it, believe it, and it will be yours.